Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, Billy here. Welcome back to my channel and yet another unboxing video. And with me here today is the Samsung Galaxy A51. And without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. When you open the box, you'll be greeted with the device itself, which is covered in this plastic material here. Peel off the plastic, and then that's the device, guys. Looks astonishing. Peel off this leather here. Wow, device looks beautiful. Keep that aside and see what's next in the box. And this little box here contains the documentations, the Samsung Galaxy user manual here, and a quick start guide. And it comes with this Type-C USB cable here, headphones, and a 15 watts charging adapter here. That's about it. That's what you get from the box. The Samsung Galaxy A51 was announced and made available in December 2019. The device comes with a big screen of 6.5-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. On the bottom you have this Type-C charging port, microphone, speaker, power button and some volume rocker keys. At the top you have a microphone too, and the side you have a SIM card slot. And on the back you have 4 cameras. That's a quad camera and a flashlight, and the Samsung branding. The phone screen has this tiny dot here which houses the front-facing camera, which is very similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The screen pixel density is 405 ppi, which means pixels per inch. The smartphone features a 48 megapixel wide plus 12 megapixel ultra wide plus 5 megapixel wide dedicated macro camera plus 5 megapixel depth sensor on the rear side of the device, which makes up to 4 cameras on the back of the device. The front-facing camera is a 32 megapixel camera for clicking super selfies and recording videos with 1080p at 30 fps. There's an active noise cancellation with a dedicated mic along with a 3.5mm jack earphone. I did a camera test on this device, and here's some of the pictures I got. Features Type-C USB port. It is fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery that provides 15 watt fast battery charging. The phone comes in 3 storage variants. The 3 variants have the same internal capacity, 128 gig to store videos, music files, images and more. The only difference is the RAM. There is 4 gigs of RAM, 6 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM variant. This one with me here is the 4 gigs of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy A51 runs on Android 10.0 operating system with One UI 2. The sensors on this device includes this on-screen fingerprint sensor, which is really fast and really looks nice. The processor on this device is the Exynos 9611, which is an octa processor with first 4 cores clocking up to 2.4 GHz, while the other 4 clocking up to 1.7 GHz. There are various colors in which this device comes in, such as the Prism Crush Blue, Crush Black, White, Blue and Pink. As you can see, the one with me here is the Prism Crush Blue. In terms of price and ability, the one with me here, I got it for around 110,000 naira.